What's up, guys? It's your boy Keon Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. As you can see, I'm in the FRS. Currently running late though. Trying to make it to APA Racing because the Carlos there getting some stuff done to the car. And well, I've also never been to the new location.
Your destination will be on the right.
Oh, and evidently it's right on the right. But yeah, like I said, I've never been there to the new location, so this is my first time. Now, if you don't know what APA Racing is, it's the shop that Chen and Panda had. Speaking of Panda, there's the Panda right there. But yeah, oh shit, they got some killers in this motherfucker. I don't know who the fuck you're putting your finger up at. The slow piece of shit. And as you can see, that's Paul, the owner of the Panda, and the Carlo right there. No problem. Give it to the man himself. I want to get this on camera. Oh my God, motherfucking famous. What's up, boy? It's been okay. So that's what 8 cylinders look like. I don't think I've ever seen what 8 different cylinders look like with my 4 cylinders. Clickbait twin turbo. Look at that. Alright, so old manifold, new manifold. Garbage, not garbage. Garbage, not garbage. Ooh, and the money shot everyone wants to see. The Panda Mustang with the cage in it and the seats all the way down to the carbon fiber hood and the belt that's sitting outside of the car. You don't need that in the car. Fuck that thing. You don't need that. APA Performance. The appointment only, but check them out on Facebook. I'll put a link to it here. It should be popping up now. Not Facebook, Instagram. Well, whichever one it is. Alright. So in case you can't tell what's going on, Lowe's old manifold that broke. And he's just getting a replacement manifold, as you can see. It's the exact same thing. It's just a replacement. So that's obviously what we're doing here. And it's cheaper to come here versus the dealership. Man, we trust this guy more than the dealership. Isn't that right there? That right there, Paul.
Sure, if you like.
What?
It's insulation in here.
Is it really?
Come get me.
Why? Like, why do you need insulation in your front fender? Okay.
I guess to keep these, I don't know.
Man, check that shit out. Weight reduction, y'all.
On these injectors.
It's that good 93 octane, eh?
Yeah, Bo. You want to smoke them? Light a match? Go ahead.
Hey, yo, who got some weed? That's that good gas right there.
Yeah, that's that gas.
You know what I'm saying? Who try and match? Who try and match? Of course, in the state of California where you do it legally, because everything we do on this channel is legal.
Decriminalized, so we still good.
Flashlight.
This guy. That's your fuel. It'll go in the fuel rack.
Come on, Lo, you gotta know these things, man. Do you ever look under your hood? Do you ever do any of your own work? Yo, I swear Lo is probably gonna punch me dead in my face, yo. I've been trolling him the entire time his camera has been off. He's like, no, that's okay, I'm gonna let the car do the talking. By the way, if you see us out somewhere, you gotta say how you know who we are. Because last thing we need is someone staring at somebody from across the bar. Well, this is this is dark.
I gotta mention that.
Somebody staring at somebody from across the bar, you know, and you out and everything, and then you feel like they trying to rob you, and you need a fight or something like that.
They get some YouTube fans. Yeah.
Hey,
It's on the video.
but wait, you said now. This ain't me. This is him. Okay, I'm way nicer than him. But evidently, what happened, Lo?
Oh, you know, I just walked into this bar and we went upstairs. It was a 2-level bar, whatever. So walk up there. I'm just looking around, trying to see these guys talking. And mind you, Well, I'm gonna say that it was a white bar. So, and like me and my friends, the only black people there. But the other guys, they happen to be black, so I'm like, okay. So I was like, okay, I don't know what the fuck's going on. So I seen him looking at me, talking back to his homeboy, like, him? Like that's what he was doing that, like, him?
You see the point? Oh, do the point one more time. Oh, hey, that ain't cool, man.
So I'm like, okay. And that's when he tapped me on the shoulder. I couldn't really hear what they were saying, but you know, they was like, yeah, he watched your videos. Oh no, he was like, yeah, you got the Mustang? He was like, oh yeah, like, yeah. He was like, oh yeah, I watch your boys' videos. I'm like, oh yeah, what's up, man?
So that's the story. My fault. I walked away.
Yeah, that was it.
All right, cool. So yeah, that's the story, and that's what happened. So you just make sure you walk up because just pointing like it's not the first time it's happened. And I meant to say something before, but yeah, you gotta you gotta remember we from Baltimore City. Like we see niggas pointing and everything. We get uneasy. Like, hey, what homie over there pointing at? No, oh wait, what homie over there pointing at? No, I'm saying I don't like that, man. He trying to fight. With that being said, we're not bad guys to talk to. I mean, just come up, say what's up and everything, you know. And if you know it happens to not be us and it's somebody else's, you know, everybody has awkward moments like that when you think it's somebody who you know and it's not. So yeah, just come up, say what's up. Are you happy you finally got your manifold replaced?
That shit was about to break down.
Yes, it was. I mean, look at this, man. And it has a crack. You can't see it, but it has a crack on the other side of it, you know, on the bottom side. But you can't see it because it's on top of the box. And I'm not going to lift it up because I just came from work and I'm not... these hands are clean now, man. I ain't touching that shit. But, yeah, man, that manifold looks good. It's very good. The most expensive laptop stand I've ever seen in my life. It's right there.
Oh, true. I thought you made fun of me.
Nah, I'm not making fun. You just
functional.
See, you didn't even realize it. Whose block is that? I got a question though, Paul. What's the owner of the Panda Mustang doing with a demon banner? Did you get that after killing one?
There you go.
Yeah, okay, that's what it is. He got that after killing a demon. That's exactly what it is.
Part of the bet.
Paul's probably gonna punch me dead in the face after that. Motherfucker.
Nah, a friend of mine left it in my trunk. So I said, fuck him. I hung it up. I said, thanks for the gift.
That's one thing to do with that.
I said, hey, it looks nice up on the wall.
Hashtag demonology.
Here's my belt slip last pass at the track. These are RPM.
See that helmet right there? Paul ran his world record pass in that little motherfucker. Got the show bus helmet running passes. Good ass passes, and that's what I'm talking about. Anybody want to buy a...
It's not broke.
It's not broken. It's not broken. We were just trolling. It's actually not broken. And I'm being dead serious. I'm not trolling like dead ass serious. It's not broken. But does anybody want to buy 2015 Mustang GT intake manifold? It's in perfectly good condition. Yeah, you can check it out. Hit up Low on his Instagram. I'll pop it right here. And yeah. Oh, they got people out here with their titties out, man. Look, oh, wait a minute. Oh, little meow meow.
Censored. Sorry, no.
Look at little meow meow. Look at little meow meow.
Oh boy.
First start.
Shit. Fucking blown motor. Fuck.
Don't say that.
That ain't gonna happen from an intake idle at least. I'm gonna pull your gauges up, see if I can't watch air tours, you know what I mean?
It's pretty quiet. Ain't no gas leaking anywhere. Jack is all good. Sit it. Sat. Whatever. How's everything reading?
It ain't reading nothing.
Oh.
I'm gonna pull up another configuration.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there it is. At idle, we're Monty. Looking good. You gotta check engine light, but it's probably. I'll check it real quick. No, it was just for blasting bin, but we're good. I'll clear that.
What's something like energization, something like that?
Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah, cause
Look at you. Okay.
Yeah, I only do that because I tuned it once. I ain't like the tune. Fuck this.
You took it out? Oh shit. It's that, what was that
like
Bama tune?
Yeah, I got that video got like 10,000 views. I got so many fucking hate comments. I'm like, but look. Back in the day, now everybody's saying, fuck man, I like racing.
Jesus. Oh, look at this B-roll shot.
I'm a star, I'm a star, I'm a star, I'm a star, I'm a star.
Gotta get them cinematics.
Yeah, gotta get the brakes.
Oh yeah, look at them cinematics right there. Oh shit. Man, you might as well get your dashboard signed. I'm such a dick. I told you they're gonna hit me one day. That's added horsepower right there, since Paul, the owner of the Panda, is inside of the car. I bet you they're gonna go right. And the motherfuckers went right. And this right here, folks, is how you get the Panda Mustang to see your taillights. This is the only way I could get Paul to ever see my taillights. They came back from the drive, obviously, but...
That's the donkey, man.
Damn! Oh my god! Yo! That's a big fuck... Yo, damn!
6 inch.
This is about big as your head.
Jesus! 6 inch?
Yeah.
Damn. That is huge.
Race car shit. I had to put this shit on my battery because something's draining the battery, and this battery ain't got enough. Like, I left it in my house for a couple days. Went to start it, battery was dead.
Oh shit!
Not even rechargeable. Like straight raped it. It's a gangster. It's like a lawnmower battery, bro. I went gangster with that shit.
I see your custom Team Panda. Wait a minute. Okay.
Just takes a minute.
That's a smell that I know. That's a smell I know I love. Jesus. That's fucking loud.
She ain't quiet no more.
Nah, not at all.
Did away with that.
With that stock exhaust.
Yeah. Too heavy. Too heavy, John. Yeah.
I can't believe, for those that don't know, he was running with a stock exhaust most of the time. Like,
Yeah, it sounded
yo,
good.
what the
Oh,
fuck?
man.
Sounded good.
Gapping people with a stock exhaust.
Too heavy though, man.
Alright, now we're in Lowe's 5.0. About to see how this car feels with the replacement intake manifold. Guess we're gonna go here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Slow down, nigga, slow down, slow down! God damn!
Yeah, my brakes are terrible.
Woo! Yo! It pulls! What fucking RPM does it shift at? That's way up
Like
there.
8,000.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I think we're about to go to the track, so I'm gonna just make that a different video. I hope you guys liked the video. Of course, we're just hanging out while Lil got his new intake manifold put on and everything. Yeah. Check out APA Performance. Like I said, I think I already dropped the little Instagram thing here. If I didn't, it should be popping up now. Of course, you guys know Panda Mustang Roush _ S550, I think is his. I'll just pop it up now. Excuse me, of course, follow low. That I know for a fact that's popped up. And follow your boy. Link in the description below. Check out the merch. I'm not wearing the merch because I literally came from work straight over here. So yeah, but merch link in the description below. And that's pretty much it. As always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts. And one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it.